Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're making potatoes with chorizo. We're gonna use 1 pound of potatoes. You wash the potatoes really well because we're going to use the skin as well, and boil them for about 30 minutes in water, salt water. We're gonna use 1 pound of chorizo as well, same quantity. Remember, the chorizo is going to shrink, it's gonna lose volume, and onions and green and bell peppers, and the potatoes. We're gonna cut them once they're boiled and soft. We're gonna cut them into squares. And the first thing we're going to do after that is use an extended pan a little bit high because it's gonna splatter. We're gonna put a little bit of olive oil or any oil that you want, vegetable oil. We're gonna put the chorizo and we're gonna extend it. It's a lot easier to do it that way than when the oil is hot. And we're gonna cover it with a splatter screen and paper towels because it's going to splatter, it's going to be a mess, and guess who's going to clean? So once that's done, it takes about 7 minutes on medium heat. We're going to remove the chorizo, we're going to put it aside, and in the render fat that has a lot of flavor, we're going to saute the onions and the bell peppers for about 3 to 4 minutes. We just want them a little bit cooked because once we add the potatoes, they will continue to cook. Thank you for all the likes. Consider subscribing and sharing the video. So now we add the potatoes and a little bit of salt because I didn't have any salt. They didn't, I tasted them and they didn't pick up a lot of the salt from the salt water. But don't put too much because the chorizo is a cured meat and it has salt already. And I use a Salvadoran chorizo. You can use a chorizo that is spicy if you want to. So we're going to extend the potatoes. We're going to leave them there for about 10 minutes without touching them. Then we're going to turn them over. Another 10 minutes, cook for another 10 minutes. Then we're going to add the chorizo and mix well, carefully, so that we don't destroy the potatoes or the home fries. And that's all, guys. Then you turn off the stove and serve them, and you can serve them with eggs or anything else that you like. Thank you for watching. See you next time.